Hi there, my name is Sonia and I live in Washington State. In 2018, I got my bachelor's in psychology from Washington State University, and in addition to being in the master's program at Widener, I am currently enrolled at the University of Washington to get my human resources certificate. I am currently employed at a facility that addresses substance use disorder and mental health. However, I primarily work with those who have substance use disorders. So I assess individuals who are coming into the services and I make diagnoses for them about their substance use. I used to work at the local jail, but as a case manager, but COVID made it so we can't go to the jail. So I have my split weeks. Half the days I'll work at the methadone clinic for those who have opioid use disorders. And then the other half is just working from home, calling people and counseling them on any kind of barriers or any kind of added support that they need for their recovery. When it comes to mental health, like I said, my work, we have co-occurring disorders, but I don't really deal with the mental health aspect of it. Some common things that I see that are co-occurring are depression, anxiety, and PTSD. But on the other half of the agency, there is a mental health services. So they'll go between seeing us as one for substance use, and then the other side they'll go and address their mental health. So for the DSM-5, I don't particularly have any knowledge or use of it, other than just taking classes and being assigned classwork for it. As for mental health, my stance is there's a lot of stigma around it. Just today, there was a client who was kind of in a crisis, and I had another client kind of witness it, and he was judging and saying he's a wacko and he needs a lot of help. So you would think that an individual who's coming into services to treat their substance use would kind of understand the situation the other client was in, because substance use disorder and mental health kind of go hand in hand and need to be addressed, not separately but together. So that's about all I have. I'm looking forward to the class and we'll see how it goes. Thank you.